Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Today we'll be giving you some updates regarding the project currently going on around Enugu State. Quite a number of projects has been going on, so I'm going to be updating you guys on top 3 projects currently happening. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do want to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for our channel. So on today's video, number 1 on our list will be the water gallery project that is currently going on. If you remember vividly well, we did a video regarding that when the governor said his first 100 days in office, he wants to ensure there is water around Enugu State. Yes, and he has been up to that. He has been up to speed about it. You can check our video catalog on Enugu. We did a video when they went to 9th Mile and see how to dig the borehole and when the water started coming out. So we did a video on that. So you can go check out that update from our video catalog. So since then, they have been working tirelessly to see how the people of Enugu State can have water. If you know Enugu State very well, you know one of the major problem with Enugu State is water, especially at this time, December like this. Most wells are getting dried. Most houses have to rely on tankers to bring water for them. So it has been a long last issues. Just only 9th Mile axis of Enugu State that have continuous water supply from the ground. So to dig a borehole in Enugu metropolis is quite a difficult task. So the governor has been up to speed with that, trying to see how he can make water available. So since the commencement of the borehole in 9th Mile, so we saw some work currently ongoing within town in different areas. They are installing some water gallery for individuals to fetch and enjoy the Enugu State water. So a clip of that is what's currently showing on the screen of the water gallery across different areas. So if you are in Enugu State, or if you are based in Enugu State and you see something like this in your area, do let us also know in the comment section. So it's scattered across different areas of Enugu State. Now there are mixed feelings about the water gallery. Some are for it, some are against it. So do let me know where you stand in the comment section. For those who are against it, they feel they are desurfacing the city. They feel it's not looking pleasant. They're taking us back to the old era. Water ought to be running in people's houses. But why for those who are for it, says the governor cannot just at one stretch bring water to individuals' house. So the water gallery is a good startup point where, you know, the water is domiciled in this area. So from there, they can link up to the pipe to different houses. So I think that school of thought is also very cool because the governor cannot at once register every household at once as the commencement of this project. So with the water gallery, I think individuals can actually tap into it. And let's also hear from the commissioner for water resources in Enugu State. He had something to say about it. So let's listen to what he has to say.
The water gallery issue, people they misunderstand the water gallery. Okay. Even the thing where the people they write say, some people think say now water gallery governor Mbah. That's the only thing where we want to do. Make everybody they go fetch water. No, the problem will still remain now to take the water to various homes. You understand? So there are 2 issues now. We say water don't dey. Before the main problem is say water no even there at all. But now water don't dey. Okay. More than enough where we need. But the next problem now we say how we go pipe them to the various homes.
So that is it for the water gallery. So I'm hoping to see your thoughts about it in the comment section. What do you think of the project? Do you think it's cool, or do you think you against the water gallery project in Enugu State? So let us know in the comment section. So number 2 on our list is the road construction and rehabilitation around Enugu metropolis. One thing I enjoyed in Enugu State back then in 2015, 2016, 2017 is good road network. But now the roads around Enugu State is so bad. A lot of potholes, the potholes around town now is terrible. Independence Layout, so messed up. All the areas around Enugu State, the roads are very, very bad. In fact, currently, this is just a clip of the one currently happening in Artisan, and a lot of areas like this work is currently ongoing. We just hope that they bring all into completion. Let's enjoy that good road we used to have in Enugu State. So I will say again, if you are based in Enugu State and there are works like this going on in your streets or in your area, also do let us know in the comment section. I heard it's about 77 road that was commissioned, or street that was commissioned, because now even streets are involved and some major roads around some areas are involved for rehabilitation and for new construction. So let us know if this effect is also happening around your area. But I think it's a good thing, because for this artisan precisely, the road has been so bad, so bumpy, that if you are coming into as artisan, your heart skips because the road is bad. Your car must just hit the ground and you have to drive at a very low pace, and which is very, very terrible. So the drainage system has been installed, as you can see. I just hope that they are going to do a closed drainage system, because I'm not a fan of an open drainage system, because I believe individuals in Nigeria are not yet still civilized enough for an open drainage system. If an open drainage system has already been faded out, so because people just throw dirt in it and believe that water is just going to take it to wherever they don't know, and it ends up blocking the drainage system, spoiling the drainage system, also spoiling the road. So I just hope that this is going to be a closed system, a closed drainage system. So help us share the video so that you never can tell those in power, those in authority, or those in charge of the construction work can actually get to see it and ensure that this is a closed drainage system that is happening around town. So in your area, let me also know, are they doing a closed drainage system? And for the roads they've completed in your area, let me know, is it a closed drainage system or an open drainage system? So me, I'm against an open drainage system. I'm for a closed drainage system so that it don't get blocked on time. So that is it, guys. Let me know your thought about the road projects currently happening around the Enugu State in the comment section. So if you are seeing our video for the first time and you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you always get to know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for the channel. We're looking forward to your thoughts, looking forward to your comments in the comment section. Let's know what you think about all of these projects. So finally on our list is the rice project. Yes, there's now Enugu Rice. 042 rice is out and is currently selling. I think a bag of 50 kg is going for 44,000 and a bag of 25 kg is going for 22,000. I think that's what I've been seeing online. I don't know if that is the official price, but that's what I've been seeing online. So it's quite impressive to see that, okay, Enugu Rice is now up. So Christmas is set for us who are in Enugu State. So I think it's a good development if the government can take that on a larger scale. I think a lot of states currently are doing that. I know in Cross River, there's Ogoja Rice, in Ebonyi there's Abakaliki Rice. So currently we have Enugu Rice. So if you see Enugu Rice anywhere, do well to patronize us, do well to key into the Enugu Rice project. So guys, this is all the updates currently happening around Enugu State. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And for first time viewers of our videos, do well to click subscribe button, turn on notification bells so you will always get to know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Thank you so much, guys. We'll be looking forward to your comments in the comment section. We'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.